Bharatiya Janata Party has shared on the social media one sensational audio clip, and that is from a Clubhouse chat. Clubhouse is a platform on Twitter, and the chat claims that it features Congress Neta Digvijay Singh in conversation with a Pakistani journalist. But the point of contention is, in the audio clip, senior Congress leader is heard saying, the decision to revoke Article 370 and downgrading Jammu and Kashmir from a state to a union territory is extremely sad. He goes on to say that the Congress party will certainly have a rethink on the Modi government's decision. Also tweeting this audio clip was done by BJP's Amit Malviya. He is hit out at the Congress party. He's accusing Digvijay Singh of singing the tune of Pakistan on Article 370. Union Minister Giriraj Singh also targeted the former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister, saying Digvijay conveyed Rahul Gandhi's message basically to Pakistan. Now, meanwhile, Digvijay Singh has remained defiant in his first reaction after the BJP released this audio clip. He has vowed that Congress will fight every inch to vote out the disastrous regime, referring to the BJP.
Democracy was not there in Kashmir when they revoked Article 370. Then Insaniyat was not there because they put everyone behind bars. And Kashmiriyat is something which is basically the fundamentals of secularism. Because in a Muslim majority state, there was a Hindu Raja, and both worked together. In fact, the reservation in Kashmir was given to the Kashmiri Pandits in government services. So therefore, the decision of revoking Article 370 and reducing the statehood of J&K is extremely, I would say, sad decision. And the Congress party would certainly have to have a relook on this issue.
As far as Digvijay Singh is concerned, in fact, he has not rebutted back. He has not declined, saying that this is not his voice, that he did not participate in the Clubhouse. Rather, he has reacted in a different way, meaning that this is all true. And it is not shocking anymore, because the stand that the Congress party has taken to vis-a-vis Pakistan, from Mani Shankar Iyer, who went to Pakistan and said that Modi ki sarkar ko girana hoga, to questioning the surgical strikes, the air strikes that India conducted against Pakistan and terrorism. And now this club chat where we hear Mr. Digvijay Singh categorically mentioning that once we oust Modi and we come to power, we meaning the Congress party, we will see to it that Article 370 is restored back. I mean, of course, this is what the Congress party stands for. Congress party, in fact, today I would say, is rather turning out to be a clubhouse of disillusion, a clubhouse of people who, in fact, take pride in speaking against the nation. And I firmly believe Digvijay Singh, being one of the top leaders of the Congress party and very close to the Gandhi family, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, in fact, should be the one who should come out and clarify.
So just to give you a background, Article 370 was abrogated from the state of Jammu and Kashmir, which was a state bifurcated into a union territory. Ladakh also then separated from the state. And now Congress leader Digvijay Singh says that that decision of 5th August 2019 was against democracy. The manner in which the Kashmiri Netas specifically were also taken into arrest was against insaniyat, against humanity. And then it was not followed with secularism as well, because there was a reservation given to specific communities in a Muslim majority state. So we'll wait and watch what the Congress has to say to this very controversial remark.